All right. Who wants some of Oprah's favorite things? Who wants some of Oprah's favorite things? Who wants some of Oprah's favorite things? Yeah. Who wants some of Oprah's favorite things, Mommy? Mr. Sister? How about you, Big Daddy? Want some of Oprah's favorite things? What did you say, Mom? Who wants some of Oprah's favorite things? Mom! Yeah. Who wants some of Oprah's favorite things? Come on! Look! Who wants some of Oprah's favorite things, Mom? Come on, who wants some of Oprah's favorite things? Come on. Come on, Mom. Am I the last person on the planet that's still giving away Oprah's favorite things, Mommy? Come on. Come on, Mom. Come on, who wants some of Oprah's favorite things? Come on. First comes Big Daddy. Then Mr. Sister. And then Sister Cat. Mom, over here. Over here. Over here. Come on, Mr. Sister. That's enough. That's enough. Mommy eats them very quickly. Here she goes. They're gone. That's it. That's it. No more. How about you, Mom? You happy? Mr. Sister? Mr. Sister. Is that it? Is that it, Mom? Hello. You a happy girl? Are you a happy girl?